Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify GM Ultium battery data using myChevrolet step by step clearly. Open the myChevrolet app on your mobile device. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and sign in. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Locate the My Vehicles section, usually found on the home screen. Tap on Battery to access battery-related information. You will see various metrics related to your GM Ultium battery. Look for the current state of charge percentage. Next, find the total battery capacity listed on the screen. Check the available range of your vehicle, which is usually displayed prominently. To verify the battery health, look for any warning indicators or alerts. If available, tap on Battery History to view past performance data. This section provides insights into charging cycles and overall battery performance. Make a note of any irregularities or areas that may need attention. If you wish to compare data, consider reviewing the manufacturer's specifications. For additional details, tap on More Information. This section may include tips on battery maintenance and care. If you have any concerns regarding the battery data, refer to your owner's manual. Finally, log out of the app or exit when you're done reviewing your battery data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.